How do important rulings impact legal precedent in court cases? Imagine a world where every court decision is a stepping stone, shaping the legal landscape for future cases. Important rulings play a pivotal role in establishing legal precedents, which are principles or rules established in previous legal cases that influence the outcomes of similar cases in the future. When a court makes a significant ruling, it does not just resolve the immediate dispute. It also sets a standard that lower courts are expected to follow. One of the key aspects of legal precedent is the doctrine of stare decisis, which is a Latin term meaning to stand by things decided. This principle encourages courts to adhere to established rulings to promote consistency and predictability in the law. When a higher court issues a ruling, lower courts must apply that ruling in future cases unless there is a compelling reason to deviate from it. This creates a framework within which judges operate, ensuring that similar cases are treated alike. For instance, if a Supreme Court rules on the constitutionality of a law, that decision becomes binding on all lower courts within that jurisdiction. This means that any future cases involving similar legal questions must follow the precedent set by the Supreme Court. Over time, these important rulings accumulate, forming a body of law that guides judicial decision-making. Moreover, important rulings can also lead to the reevaluation of existing precedents. If a court finds that a previous ruling is outdated or no longer applicable due to changes in society or legal standards, it may choose to overturn that precedent. This can lead to significant shifts in the legal landscape, as new rulings redefine the interpretation of laws and rights. Additionally, important rulings often spark discussions and debates within the legal community and society at large. They can influence legislative changes, prompting lawmakers to amend existing laws or create new ones in response to judicial interpretations. This interaction between the judiciary and the legislature highlights the dynamic nature of law and its evolution over time. In summary, important rulings have a profound impact on legal precedent in court cases by establishing binding standards, guiding judicial decisions, and prompting legislative responses. Each ruling not only resolves the case at hand but also contributes to the ongoing development of the legal system, ensuring that it remains relevant and reflective of contemporary values and societal norms.